Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today's vlog is just a casual weekend vlog. As it's Friday, so I have planned to prepare mutton kofta kebab biryani. For that I have taken around half kg of minced meat. I have washed the meat, and to that meat I am adding 1 onion, 3 chilies, you can even use the green chilies, a handful of mint and coriander leaves. Then add some salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Grind them into a paste. This is how the paste should be. Now I am adding the paste to the minced meat and mix it well. After mixing, make sure the mixture is binding properly. In case if you find the mixture is not binding properly, you can use 2 tablespoons of besan flour or even 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and mix it well. This step is just for the kebabs to retain its shape and not to break while frying. Now divide the mixture into even balls and keep them refrigerated for about 30 minutes. Now take a pot and add some oil to it. Once the oil becomes slightly hot, add the kebabs into it. Now cover it and fry it on a low flame. Now turn the kebabs occasionally until it becomes brown and cooked properly on a medium-high heat. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Now the kebabs are ready. Remove them from the oil and keep it separately. Now to the same oil I am adding some whole spices. Here I have taken mace, 2 star anise, 3 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 5 pieces of cardamoms and cloves. Then adding 2 bay leaves. Wait until you get a nice aroma of all the spices. Once you get a nice aroma of all the spices, then add the onions to it. Here I have taken 3 onions. Now mix it and leave it until the onions become slightly golden in color. Then add some butter or ghee to it. Once the onions become slightly golden in color, then add about 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to it and mix it well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. Now adding 3 green chilies and 2 tomatoes. Then adding some salt. Here I am using rock salt. Now mix all the ingredients well and wait until the tomatoes becomes mushy. Then I am adding juice of 2 lemons. Once the tomatoes becomes mushy, add 3 tablespoons of curd to it and mix it well. Now I am adding biryani masala to it. Here I am using Mehran Bombay biryani masala. You can use any biryani masalas of your choice. And give it a nice mix. Finally add some chopped coriander and mint leaves to it. And now our biryani masala is ready. Meanwhile I have already cooked the basmati rice. Make sure to cook the basmati rice until it's 70% done. Do not overcook the rice. Now I have transferred the biryani masalas to the same pot where I have kept the kebabs. Add some oil. Then add the cooked basmati rice. On the top of the rice add some biryani masalas. Repeat the same process for the next layer as well. Now add the kofta kebabs on the top. And then add the last layer of the rice on the top of the kebabs and level it up. Add some fried onions and then garnish the biryani with some coriander and mint leaves. Then adding some yellow and orange food colorings. That's completely optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Now cover the biryani and leave it on a low flame for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now after 25 minutes, our delicious mutton kofta biryani is ready. Now mix the rice slowly. Make sure not to break the rice and the kebabs. Now our delicious mutton kofta kebab biryani is ready to be served. If you are bored of eating the regular mutton biryani all the time, do try this recipe and I'm sure your family members would love it. In the evening, sometimes during the Fridays, we go out for a walk to a park. So now we are on the way to the lake park. On the way you can find lots of coconut and palm trees. This is the lake park. And it's a unique spot with plenty of greenery, a fountain and a play area for the children. The highlight of this park is its artificial lake. It just looks like a natural one. This park is also a popular workout destination due to its impressive running track. At this artificial lake, you can find lots of fish and a number of marine creatures such as turtles that lives over here. Most of the visitors come here to feed the fish. I must say it is a delight to walk over its sprawling grass patches and watch birds like ducks, white herons, flocks around the lake. This park has a bird garden that attracts migratory birds. You can find different kinds of birds at morning and evening time. If you love natural scenery and if you're here in Yanbu, then you must consider checking out this artificial lake. It is an ideal picnic destination for all the families and attracts many visitors. Hope you all have enjoyed watching this vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Do try my Mutton Kofta kebab biryani's recipe and send me your valuable feedbacks. Thank you all for watching.